Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 442 of LeetCode, which is find all duplicates in an array. So first let's read the question. Given an integer array nums of length n, where all the integers of nums are in range 1 to n and each integer appears at most twice, which means not more than 2. Return an array of all integers that appear twice. Okay, so we have to return all the duplicates integers from the array. You must write an algorithm that runs in O of n time and uses constant auxiliary space excluding the space needed to store the output. So basically we have to use only one for loop for this question. So what we will do is, we will run the for loop, we will get the answer array, and we will create the current number as an index. And if the current, so for example, if for first loop the number is 4, we will create take the index, take it as index. So fourth element we will convert to negative number. So fourth element is 7. 0 1 2 3 it's 8, so it will become minus 8. Second for loop, it's 3, so nums, so third index element will become negative as well, so minus 7. So when we come to the other second 3, if the number on that index is negative, that means it's already been appeared once. As to number be negative, it should first have come for negative, and then second if it's negative, which means the current number is already exist. So we'll push that number to the answer array. So let's write the code. So we will first take the index and we have to say absolute value. As I said, the number can become negative, so we have to take absolute value and negative minus 1 as the array is 0 indexed. And if nums of index is negative, which means that it's already the current number has already appeared once. So we'll push that number to the answer array. Plus 1 why? Because first we did minus 1. Or else if it's the first time the number has appeared, so we will convert that particular number to negative. Like this. Let's return the answer array to check if it's correct or not. As you can see, all the 3 test cases have been passed. Now let's submit our answer. We got 0 millisecond runtime, which means 100% of the people, and 48.44 MB memory. So the runtime complexity and space complexity is already been mentioned in the code. Runtime is O of n and space complexity is O of 1, as you have to exclude the array in which we stored the answer. So if you like my explanation, give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanations, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.